Hey, hey, here's Denise flying a kite in Hurricane Sally. This is September of 2020 and Hurricane Sally is coming in. It should make landfall sometime in the middle of the night. And the winds are nice. So we figured, hey, go fly a kite. And that's what Denise is doing. Bought this lovely butterfly kite on sale for $1.50 at the end of spring, and just waiting for a good opportunity to try it out. And we may not have enough wind to try it out. Oh, here it goes. Here she goes. Here she goes. Her poise is good. Look, she's got good form.
Just waiting on the wind.
Just need a little bit more wind. What's the deal with that? It's a hurricane, right? Well, I guess it's not a hurricane yet. Maybe that's the problem. Denise, you may have to wait a couple hours and come out when it's really a hurricane, full of force. We may have a stall here. We may have to reschedule this event due to lack of wind. How does that happen? Lack of wind in a hurricane. But there sure is not much wind out there. Oh, I think she's given up. Denise, come on over and tell us about your difficulties flying that kite. Oh, here we go, here we go. We got something going on. We got something going on. Woohoo! You can see the pecan tree shaking in the wind. The little cherry tree off to its left and the pine tree off to its left, shaking in the wind. But we can't get enough wind here on the ground. We may have to reschedule this event for a later date.
Well, maybe a couple of hours. There's just not enough sustained wind to get the kite up and keep it up. I got it up one time and it took a nosedive. So we're going to have to wait until the hurricane comes on in a little bit and we have, instead of gusts, we've actually got some sustained. Whoa, look at that!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's all tangled up now. All tangled up. So we're going to have to wait. Wind just gusts in here and then it stops.
Well, I'm loving that pretty color of that pretty blue butterfly.
Yeah, my friend Carla, she's the one that got this butterfly.
Is there significance to that butterfly or the...
Well, it matches my shirt.
Ah! Somebody said blue is your favorite color.
Oh yeah, blue's my favorite color. That's right, that's right. I recall now. Blue is my favorite color.
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! We might have a runaway kite on our hand. Oh, looks like she's not giving up. She's going to take it for another round. Take it for another shot. Oh, here she goes. Look at those pretty blue streamers. Woo! There she goes. There it goes, up in the air. Up in the air. Looks like a butterfly floating on the wind. Lovely, folks, just lovely. Look at that lovely blue. She had high hopes there for a minute, but it looks like she is going to reel it in. So we'll come back to y'all in the next round and see how things go then.
All right, everybody. It's the hurricane. And so we've got a little wind blowing. We're going to see if we can fly a kite. My son Dave, he said, "Mom, don't fly a kite." And I hadn't even thought about flying a kite until he said, "Don't fly a kite." So now that he's said don't fly a kite, me and Carla want to fly a kite. So we're out here trying to fly a kite in this hurricane wind. I don't know if it's going to be sustained wind enough to actually get a kite up and fly it, where it's just kind of gusting right now, but we're working on it. Carla's got hers. She's got a little bit bigger kite than what mine was. I couldn't get mine up. And we thinking maybe a bigger kite will possibly catch the wind better. Let me back up out of here, get up under the eaves of the house, because we're getting a little rain out here and I don't want to get this phone wet. Oh, look at that. The wind's up in the tops of the trees blowing, but it's not blowing down low to grab that kite up. Oh, look, that wind caught it. Wind caught it. Wind caught it. All right, there it goes. Woo! It's doing everything. Back down on the ground. It's just a gust of wind caught it, blowed it up. It's back on the ground. Okay, up. It's trying to get it up. So her robot kite is named Rosie after the Jetsons robot. Okay, she's got it up, she's got it up, she's got it up. Coming down, coming down, coming down. Whoop, there it goes again. Coming back down. Back up.
Back down. Back up. On the ground. On the ground. Carla's back behind that bush. There she is. Looks like she's going to give it another try. We're going to have to wait till we get some more wind. All right, she's bringing her kite in for now. And we'll have to wait until the wind gets stronger and more sustained. She's hoping for a gust of wind to put it back up. Well, that took it up for a minute. Yeah, we just don't have enough sustained wind to keep it up. We don't have enough sustained wind to keep it up. Okay, there's Carla. You probably should just reel it in. We'll try in a little bit.